Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So the beginning of this video, it was a lot going on because I went on the train for the first time since last October, so it's almost a year, and I was with my mom. We went to Mood Fabric. It is considered like more luxury designer fabric, and they're right, there's a mixture of high-end, low-end fabric there. And of course everything my mother touched was from this. She didn't even know, she just touched it and liked it, and then we looked at the price and who the designer of the fabric was. Of course, Oscar de la Renta. That's her jam. But of course it was not in my budget, guys. They were expensive. We're talking a lot just for a yard, and for a lot of the things that she wanted, minimum of 3 yards. And I was like, we gonna wait till we get some sale going on for that. So we did get some other stuff. So later on this video, when I get back home, because as you can see I'm in New York, I will definitely do a haul and show you what I got for her. And I have to start working on a dress which is similar to what I'm wearing without this part. There's no buttons here, and it is going to be a pop of the collar kind of dress, and it is long. I did a markup for it, so I already got her sizing right, so I'm excited for that. But I will show you all of that later on. Now let's talk about a journal mood. So I'm hoping this video might come out before Sunday, or you might see it next Sunday. It is going to be a longer video because I want to wrap up all of what I'm reading in this video and to move on to the subscriber pick video, which I want to do I want to do a reading vlog for that because I'm excited, because it is a Japanese classic. Nevertheless, we're going to just finish some of the books that I'm reading now and then talk about this throughout this video. Now, Huffington. I am obsessed, and I do mean obsessed, with Gray Huffington's work, and I am currently reading this. So I just went to get something to eat, and I sat there and just having this Kindle just propped up on my hand, you can't beat that. And so I finished a series which is the Berkeley Bread, which is 4 books in the series. Is Malachi, Milo, Mackay, and Mercer, and absolutely love them. But again, I'm going to dedicate a video just to the series. And then I decided that I wanted to know Kim's story. So if you read the series, Kim popped up a couple of times, which is a brother that he is the only brother that has a different father than the other 4 who have the same mother and father, but they also have the same issues and things that, because that is a relation to their parents, to their, especially their mother, because they all have the same mother. So I wanted to know his story, so I picked this up. So I'm just sitting there at the restaurant. So I'm at 38 pages in, and I'm tempted. This is one of those ones I feel like I'm going to really enjoy it because of the fact that you learn early on that he inherited his mother's issue as well. So we'll see how that goes. And also his father is dying, and that is, he wants an heir. That's all I'm gonna give you for this, because that's all I know. So I'm excited for this one, so I'm gonna pause it for a minute because I need to finish a booker. Now on the booker, I did finish My Friends. Oh, this was so poetic, so poetic. I mean, there's just so, I've never like really heard anybody use the term before where it says love is as much as love is much a miracle as it is an education. I love that. All this tab are quotable moments, are things that I want to write down and I want to like really think about and reflect on throughout this story. And because of that, I think that's what makes the book is so beautiful. It is a hard story. We are talking about political unrest. We're talking about being away from everything that you thought was you, and now you are a different person, and having not being able to go back, not being able to go back to a country that you couldn't step foot in but wanted to kind of deal. And even after the moment when you could go, there's that thing that's holding you back from even going. I love this storyline. I thought it was well written. I thought the author writing was absolutely poetic, and it just was so beautifully written. It makes me want to read other things from the author because of the writing style. Now the ending it had that sadness that I wish was different. I wanted a different ending, but I felt like he stuck true to the storylines, true to the journey of the main character, that it's like I have to swallow it and realize that this is it. So if you read this, or if you watched my previous video where I did go into more detail about this, so I might talk again more towards the end of little things about this that I like. Now the book that I'm currently reading, it is different, absolutely different from all the books so far. This is book number 4 that I'm reading off the list, and there's 13 books on the list, so I got a long way to go. And this one is basically a young boy that he is being held as a plot ransom, I guess you would say, because of his brother, and he's not sure even why he's sucked into the whole drama, but it's like you learning about his family dynamic, and there's also other characters who are playing an important part in the story that they're getting them bits and pieces of them in the storyline. I'm only like almost a halfway in, so I'm not sure where is it going and how much of an action it's going to be, because it is a crime, I would say crime thriller. I that's what I would classify it as in a way, but the characters are very young in this as well, so it's interesting, but I don't have enough where I'm like, where are we going? I'm still like waiting to really wrap my head around where we're going with this story. So I will definitely fill you in this video. This video is going to be probably a little longer than normal because I'm going to continue it for the week. Yeah, another thing too that I want to do is I need to start working on my next journal. So we are in day 18, so I don't have a lot of days, and I'm only free for another weekend, and then after that I'll be in New York a lot. So I want to start working on that journal, so I'll probably, like in this video as well, start working on it. It's gonna look similar to the one that I made in December, because I'm only gonna make one 2 signature, which is gonna hold me off for September and October, because November is the 5-year anniversary, and I want to make a journal just for the celebration of 5 years in a way that it's just going to be dedicated to November only. So that's my reason why because normally when I make these journals, it's like 3 signature minimum, but this one's going to be 2, and it's going to be different. I have not decided how different I want it to be, because all my journals are different, but we'll see. I mean, like the one I'm currently using, it is a Japanese kind of bamboo theme going on here. That was not the intention, absolutely not. But I never have like a concrete vision of what I want to do. Most of my journals are winging it. Like I literally just have something and I'm like, oh, let's try this, and once I started doing this, it was like, ooh, I have a wicker basket that was falling apart, and I was like, oh, I could use some of that, and it just started going with the whole idea of this paper. And I said, I bought this at this antique store. They had this beautiful painting book kind of idea in this, I don't even know how to explain it, and I saw this and I said, okay, we're gonna go with this and this bamboo looking thing. So I'm hoping to find something, because it is fall and I maybe have a fall theme, but I was like, what color am I gonna go with? And I haven't really thought about that, so I'm hoping to kind of get some inspiration for the next few days, perhaps go over and look through a lot of my stuff that I have in my house and maybe use that as a theme. And then I'm thinking of blocks that's like going in my head as well, but I don't know yet. We'll see, and I will definitely show you guys the process of making my next junk journal. So for right now, I'm outside. It is getting darker, but I'm getting still good light right here. It is natural light, guys. You know, I'm not bringing out all the boxes and all of that when I'm traveling. So I'm gonna do the journal mood for the day, and I'm in such a good mood, guys. I am in such a good mood. I love this energy that I'm feeling right now, and I love that I am motivated and excited at the same time for all the things that I'm doing, the sewing, the craft, journaling, the books. I am, this month so far, I have read, how many books have I read? I started my notes. I have not done all my notes. Some of my notes I'm writing. But I've read 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've read 8 in the book I'm currently reading. This will be 9, and the Huffington book, that will be 10. So I've been reading a lot this month. And I have changed also how I my time management and things. I go to bed a little earlier now. I purposely, and I journal even though I don't post early. I've been posting late. I do journal in the mornings, typically early in the mornings. I am journaling now, and I notice when I do that with the new schedule that I have, it works out better. And one of the things that I've been doing is I love the words because I focus on how I want my day to be, and I feel like that's helping me. I've been telling myself, you're gonna have a good day. I don't so much dread, like I've always dread Mondays. Mondays has never been like my favorite day of the week, but I've been saying, no, you're gonna have a good day. I'm not gonna go in with this attitude as, oh, it's Monday, it's just I hate Mondays, that kind of deal. I've been going in, it's gonna be a good day. I'm going to have a good day today, and it's been helping. It's that affirmation that I'm having with myself, that stop thinking every day is gonna be a negative or something's just not gonna work out for you today. Enter the day with a positive mindset that you're going to have a good day, and that's been helping me. And I love that, pouring that into my journal. Even every word of the day, I find something positive to write about that word and how they're reflected in my life and how I want that day to be. And it's been so helpful, and I need to stick to this morning routine because I find that when I was journaling at the end of the day, because I get home late most of the time, and then I'm tired, and I find that my journal was just becoming dreadful of what I wanted to write because I was working off the energy of being tired. So I need to stick to the mornings, or even like today I'm off, so it's, it's still a decent time that I'm journaling. It's still daytime, it's not dark, and do that for the days I'm off. But during the week when I know I'm going to work, do the mornings, and that's what I'm going to stick to. And hopefully I can maintain it even after journal mood is over, and that's helping because I go to bed with such a clear mind where I'm just going to rest and not think about nothing. Also for like the sewing is on a timer. Like I sew in the mornings, and I only sew one time this week at night, and it was a quick sew. I only sewed for 1 hour. So most of the time during the week is 1 hour interval, 1 hour usually in the mornings. So normally I would get up in the mornings, get some of the breakfast, and I would sew for an hour, and then I would journal, and then I would get ready to go to work. And that's been helping me. So it seemed like I do a lot of sewing, but no, it's literally like an hour per day. And so a project, it does take a little longer because of that, but I'm okay with that because I take my time. So you saw the dress that I showed. This is literally the first fall project that I've been doing, and it's a dress. Don't know where I'm going with it, but I want to have options for dress. My birthday is coming up, and I want to be able to go to dinner, and I have not been going on no dates, and I need to change that. I need to get back to going on dates. I need to put myself back out there, y'all. I need to put myself back out there and at least try to go some dates and have a good time. I hope for the best. I need to have a positive attitude when it comes to dating. I'm trying y'all. Trying. So either way, my birthday is coming up. I'm gonna wear it, and then I have my tuxedo dress and my mom's birthday. So my mom's birthday is gonna be, her dress is gonna be the next project after I finish this black dress, which is almost done, and work on her birthday dress, and then work on my birthday tuxedo dress because I want to make sure it's gonna fit. I think it's gonna fit. I did modify. It better fit me nice. If not, I would have to redo it. I do have other fabrics. I just wanted that particular fabric, but we'll see. All right, guys, I've been yapping, so let's get to this journaling. And yeah, all right. Alright guys, so it is Tuesday. Yesterday I was so tired, I barely did anything. I barely did anything. So I did not finish. I still have probably 100 pages to go. A little under, about 90 pages to go. For Wild Houses. I did read a little bit of the ebook that I wasn't gonna read. I did read 50 pages in that one. So I haven't been doing as much as this week. So I am getting ready for work. I'm almost there. Ooh. And I need to do my journal the day before I leave, which is the word of the day. Today is wild, and so I'm semi-dressed. I just have this bodysuit on because I'm wearing a sweater over it because it's getting cool at night. The daytime feel like summer, but when I'm ready to go home, last night that wind hit me, and I had on just like a short t-shirt. I was freezing. I said no. So I need to wear a long sleeve now. Yeah, and so I got these 2 cereal boxes that for my mom, which I will be using to make my next junk journal, and I'm going to be making this same setup where I did this for last year, where I had 2 signature on each side. So that will be for September and October. So, and then it is just fold in. So definitely making one similar to this. How I'm going to do the front, that I don't know yet. But I absolutely love this one. It had a pocket in the front and I had a pocket in the back. So as you can see. So same size and everything, which I think this is a 10. Let's see. Alright, sorry. We are little, it's a 9 1/4 this way, and then this way it is 7 1/2. So it's a good size. So that's what I'm gonna do with these, and slowly start the project because we are day 20. So I have 10 days to do this journal and to make it. It's just a slow process for me because the creative part of it, I need to focus. And then the dress is not done. This is the dress that I made. The black one I showed you. So I'm going to have to fix the sleeve because the sleeve is not staying. It's very, what's the word? It's very, the elastic is too loose. So I need to tighten it up a little bit more so it stay on the shoulder. And then the slit, I have to adjust it a little higher. It's too low. And once I hem it, it's not going to be as long either. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, so let me do my journal of the day, and then I'm going to head off to work. I am wearing this brush suit, y'all guys. I don't know, the weight is coming off, but I'm going through it still of not seeing it as much. So, but apparently it is because I couldn't fit in these jeans. These are jeans that were super tight, and now I can button it up without ease. So yeah, I'm seeing the 12 pounds. I'm seeing the 12 pounds. Hopefully you guys are seeing it. Maybe let me know so I can feel a little better. I don't know. All right, guys. So yeah, let me do some journaling. There's nothing more dangerous than a writer that does not write. Hey guys, so I am dropping everything right now. I just love these quotes that I've been, enjoying in this book, and I'm still at awe about this book. I absolutely love My Friends, and I do recommend you reading it. Wild Houses. I am going to be brutally honest. This is a story about basically these men who kidnap a young boy because his brother has something for them. And so they decided to kidnap the boy, but also hold him at a house belonging to a man that is mourning the loss of his mother. And so there's a lot of emotional things happening within that man, but also chaos within the fact that there's a boy that was kidnapped ultimately. It was just it was okay. I'm not impressed. I also feel like this is not a memorable book. I didn't enjoy it for what it was. I wanted more. And I felt like it just didn't. Even towards the end of the rescue, the ransom money and all that, I was kind of like, thought, okay. And it just was, yeah, this didn't do it for me. All right, so I got 4 books out of the 13. And I think I have Enlightenment, and I think, I don't remember what the other one is. But I believe somebody made a comment that one of the books that I have, I need to read the book before that book to really enjoy it. So I'm gonna, we'll see. And I'm just gonna add some more. So I've read 4 so far off the list. Again, Headshot was okay, not impressed. I read this months ago before it even made the list. Absolutely love James, and of course the 2 that I talked about here. So far these were okay, and of course these 2 I enjoyed. Ending the month with this one. I think this is probably going to take me the entire week. It is a Japanese classic, The Pillow Book. This is the subscriber pick for the month, and I'm excited. I'm super excited for this. So we'll be doing a vlog for this. And I hope to read a chunk of this during the weekend, and and also talk about this. And so let's end the video with what I picked up at Mood Fabric and project that I'm going to continue on with this. Guess this will be a continuation of this video. So I did pick up this. It wasn't at Mood Fabric, but I'm excited to have this tool. it came with some buttons, which some black buttons, nothing impressive. But this is a button gauge, and I am excited because when you're putting buttons on shirt, it's work to make sure that they're even. And this is going to be more precise and really going to be cool. I'm excited for this. I don't see how far is it going to go. How far can it go? That's it. So it's not bad. So it's going to be good for like the button-up shirts and dresses that I will be making soon. All right, why are we stuck? How did I close it back? Huh. I have to figure it out because somehow it's not. Oh, there we go. My bad, y'all. I got it now. All right, so this is the tool. All right, so we're gonna go into the first fabric I got for my mother. We did not get it at Mood. It was another fabric store on the same block. It is pricey, but again, these are her birthday treat. So I got this dress. So she wants a shirt dress out of this. I wish you guys, I don't even think the camera is going to give it justice, but this is absolutely beautiful. This particular it's called, I can't remember the name of the store, to be honest with you. I don't think I had the receipts in here, but they had some beautiful linen and tweed and other kind of fabrics like that where it felt more summery spring. And I was like, oh, I wish I had knew about this store prior to this, because I would have loved to pick up a few stuff. I feel like anything I buy, it would have to be me wearing it to a warmer thing. Like the fact that my mom will be traveling for her birthday and she'll be in a warmer climate, that these were perfect for her now. But if she was staying in New York, I would have been like, you know what, just save this for next year. But I'm going to be making a dress with this, and I will show you the process for that. All right, let's talk about Mood. Now, Mood Fabric Store it says on the bag, literally says designer fabric. And they meant it. And they have a location, New York, Miami, and Los Angeles. I've seen a video of somebody in LA and I thought it was nice, and I've seen New York. I've never seen Miami. Excuse me. But I knew it was gonna be pricey, but I didn't realize that everything in there is pricey. I mean, they do have some sale item, but they're like scraps of something that's left over. If you're lucky, you might get 3 yards of it, but that kind of deal. But nevertheless, everything my mother touched was pricey. Everything she liked was pricey. She had a thing for Oscar La Renta without even knowing it's Oscar La Renta, because we went to different floors and she would see something, absolutely love it. We look at the ticket and it said Oscar La Renta, and then of course the price was, I was like, Nama. Now I don't think I'm on the level to be spending that money on a fabric, because I would be scared to cut into it. I would be scared. So I was just like, nah, let's hold off for another year before I feel like we can get to that level of buying fabric that expensive. Anyway, so the one that we got wasn't as bad. So I got 4 yards of this, and this is going to be for her birthday dress. And sorry guys, the weather been crappy. It feels like fall. It's like 50-something degrees outside, and I hope I'm not getting a cold. So we gotta get this under control. Anyway, so I love the print, and I was just like, okay, we're gonna get this. I love the quality of it, and it feels really good. And I'm like, so I got 4 yards of this because the dress is gonna be long, and the next video I will be cutting into this and starting her dress for her birthday, which is this dress. Then she also picked this purple fabric. I have stuff all over, and she wanted a dress with this. She already sent me the what she wants to dress, which is similar to a pattern that I have, but she wants this very loud purple, but that's what she wants. What mommy wants, mommy gets. So she has 3 different fabrics, 3 different outfits. Everything else is mine, which I did not go for myself really. I went for her. So I only picked up this fabric. This is a athletic fabric. So on my mood board for my Me Make 9 is to make a workout outfit. So this is going to be a workout outfit. I think I have enough left over that I could potentially make a bathing suit out of it. But I don't know, I'm not necessarily going to make the bathing suit now, but I wanted to at least have some fabric left over that I can go towards a bathing suit. And I think it will look good on this color will look good on my complexion. But for now, I definitely going to be making a workout outfit. It is very, very, very bouncy and water resistant, because it's definitely it was in the section for swimsuit, and but of course it can be for workout as well because it's supposed to help with sweat. So I'm excited for this, and I love the fabric. And then I got some, apparently I was pronouncing it wrong. I think it's tricot, but they said it's tricot. Yeah, because every time I try to pronounce the guide, it's like no. So this is a fabric that I needed as lining for this dress that I want to make, and I got a lot of it because it was inexpensive. It was like maybe $3 a yard or $2 a yard. I can't remember, but I think I got 5 yard, so I should be able to. I have enough for at least maybe three lining for a dress. 3 different dress lining, I think. So I got a good amount of it, but at least I know what it looked like because I kept seeing it on the back of the pattern, and I was like, what does that look like? And when I got there, they showed me, and I was like, okay, let me get the black because it can fit. It'll go under my brown velvet material or the black velvet I have. I'm not sure again which one I'm going to use for the dress that I want to make. And that is it. That is all I got at Mood, because Mood fabric is not on my budget, y'all. It was not on my budget, but nevertheless I'm excited because it's for my mother and her birthday, so I was excited to make her something. I did finish my black dress and I tried it on, loved it. I had to make a few adjustments to the side because it felt a little loose, and so I did that this morning. I did the cuff and I almost ran out of elastic for the cuff, so I do have to make sure go back to the store and get a few supplies of stuff that I use often that I'm running out of at Walmart. I can get out of Walmart. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to end this video here, and it will continue with these projects for my mom, and I have an event this weekend I'm excited to go to, and yeah, we're gonna continue. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you've watched, how far you got in the booker. Let me know how far you got in the booker, how many books you read so far. You know, I got 4. And let me know which one you are absolutely loving so far. I know a lot of people are still gonna say James because I you know, that's the most popular book on the list is James. But of all, based on the other ones, especially this one that I really love, My Friends, let me know how you felt about this book, and the other ones as well. So I will see you guys in the next video. I'm excited. All right, guys, bye.